So it's Halloween night and we're out on a night ride right now. I'm actually out solo and I wanted to give you guys a look at my setup here for riding at night. So first things first, it's really important to have a good headlight. This is the Moto Minded Ultimate Pro. It uses a pair of these Baja Designs S2 Pros. Each one of them is 2400 lumens. But I noticed, like, going down the trail, you need something just a little bit more. You need some sort of helmet light. You know, you need a light that moves where your head is turning, especially when you're riding trails. Roads, no big deal, but trails, you need that extra little bit of light to fill in those gaps. So what I've got here is just something kind of just rigged up. It's not anything special as far as a helmet light goes. It's just zip tied to the top here. But then I've got the magnetic charger hooked up because this thing, while it is super bright, on high, I think it's like 1200 lumens on high. It's decent, but it's only gonna last like an hour and a half or 2 hours. So I've got it rigged up to actually charge while I'm riding. So you can see here, I've got this coiled USB extension cord, and there we go. You can see it's just something cheap from Amazon. So coiled cord, run into my USB port here, which I normally use for my phone or GPS. But that way the flashlight on the helmet is actually charging the whole time. And that provides just a lot of extra light. So when you turn your head, I'm wearing just a little head, I don't know if you can see it, wearing just a headlamp right now, just so I can see what I'm doing here. But that way the light kind of follows where you're looking, which is really nice. One thing about night riding is it's hard to keep your focus further ahead on the trail because you're always kind of looking where the lights are. So I find myself not looking as far ahead as I should. I find myself kind of focusing on the hot spot. Right back there is a good example of where you want the helmet light so you can actually see around the corner before your front headlight is pointed around the corner. turn off the helmet light just for a minute so you guys can kind of see the difference. You can see the headlight leaves a bit of a shadow where the front fender is, and then of course I can't see where my head is turned. I have to actually be pointing the bars that direction. So let's turn it back on, check out the difference here. There we go. Now you can see there's no shadow from the front fender anymore. It fills that in nicely. And then here's a nice little quarter. You can see around it. Look at that.